Welcome back to our channel, Cooking with the Roby. For today's video cooking serie, I made some pork bistek. It's the leftover from the string beans adobo that I made the other day. So I marinated the pork chop overnight with soy sauce, lemon, black pepper, fresh garlic, and garlic powder. This is the ingredients that I prepare for the pork bistek. I have the sliced up onions, garlic, soy sauce, and lemon. Okay, let's get cooking. Now I already heated the pan, so we're gonna add oil. You can use any oil. I prefer to use Kirkland organic olive oil. This is the one. I use this for my cooking. Preheated my pan. So I'm gonna put pork chop. Smells good already. Wash my hands.
Mommy? Mommy?
Yes. Come over here.
What are you cooking? What are you cooking,
The
Mom?
pork chop.
What are you doing, Mom?
Cooking the pork chop.
Pork chop?
Yes, that's my baby boy.
What are you
He loves to cook too.
What's that, Mom?
I'm making so
What?
my pork chop. Turn it up. It's good. Smells good already.
Smell good already. Mommy?
That's my baby.
That's me.
He's 3 years old. He likes to help mommy and daddy.
Who help you?
Yes, you can't just
Who help you do it?
Letty, just wait.
I want to use it.
Smells so good in the house.
That, Mom? Mom? Can you use that, Mommy? Okay.
Okay, now
Where is
have
it?
that ready.
I'm going to use it.
I think it's ready. Just wait on the phone. This thing smells good already. Bye. Fine. There. I have to saute the garlic. Good in the house.
Mommy?
Yes.
As I forget one, then I
Yes.
can wash the dishes, then I can cut.
That's good, baby.
Can
Come
cut.
on.
Can do it, Mom?
Just wait, baby.
Mom. Mommy.
Yes.
Can cut.
Just wait for mommy. Real quick.
Alright.
I put the onions now. You can stir it up later.
Can cut it.
Just wait for mama.
Alright, Daddy. Alright, Dad.
Okay.
I'm not the father. father back. Mommy.
Just watch for mommy for now.
What do you say?
Just watch for mommy.
I
It
wanna
smells good?
cook.
Smell good? Smell really good.
Mommy.
Now,
No, please.
I have to set aside some onions for my toppings.
For Teresa?
No, for toppings later.
For you?
Yeah.
Can I cook?
Just wait.
Can I cook, Mommy?
Just wait.
Mom. Mom.
Just wait, baby.
That's not good.
Then we have to put it back, the pork chop.
The pork?
There we go.
Can I cook? Can I cook, Mommy? Can I cook, Mom?
I'm gonna add the one that, the sauce for the marinade.
Mom. Can you cook?
And the soy sauce and the lemon.
Mom,
For a boil, let's cover this.
Mommy, I want to cover this. I want to cover it, Mom. Can I cover it, Mom? Mom.
Go ahead and cover. Cover, please.
I'm sorry you yell at me.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Let it boil. Let it boil. I think it's ready. Ooh, look at that. Smells good. We take the sauce. And some. Good. Wanna add some more black pepper on it. Good. For my toppings, put the onions back. We have it. Pork Bestek. Thank you for watching. So I decided to cook some buttered vegetables to pair with my pork bestek. So this is the ingredients: carrots, corn, and this butter. But I bought it from Costco. So let's put the butter in. I love this butter.
Time you gotta work.
Butter. I'm going at 4.
I was gonna use black pepper.
You can still use the
Black pepper.
black pepper.
Are you going to the right car?
No, I'm just gonna find my slippers and I'm gonna go.
Melt the butter.
Oh, oh.
Lots of butter.
Huh?
I love butter. No. If my butter is ready, I put my carrots in there already. It'll be good with my excited. It's been a long time I didn't prepare my meat with buttered vegetables. Brown them together. Not brown, but cook when it's half cooked done. I think carrots is already half cooked. Then I have to put the whole corn. And just add black pepper only for this. Look at that. Colorful. Very colorful. It's good. You have the butter. Okay. I think it's done. Look at that. I'm ready to eat and go to work. It's my Friday. Let's eat. Thank you for watching Cooking with the Roby. It's my plate. Look at that. Let's eat. Look at this. So good. Let's try. Mmm. Mmm. You guys have to try this. It's really good. It's really good. You can do beef, pork, but this is the first time I make pork. I always do beef. This is so tender. Mmm. With the butter corn and carrots, perfect. Mmm. That onions too is so sweet. Mmm. Mmm. Have my coffee since I work in graveyard. I make my coffee. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cooking with the Roby. Until next video.